Hello YouTube, how are you today? I am here with Michael T Panetta. We are in Hershey. We're gonna have an awesome day. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. Roll them bumps, Piney. We kind of took a little bit of a look at the Hershey cottages, which is really cool. Now we're on like a nature trail that's right up here in Hershey, and guess what? It's free. So we're checking it out, because free is for me and Michael T. So we have just come off the trail, myself and Michael T. It was a nice walk. I kind of needed this to get back on the trail a little bit. But now we've worked up a hell of an appetite, so I think we're gonna go eat. Oh yeah, this place is amazing. What's this called?
Arrugas.
Arrugas.
Yeah.
Wow, this menu, holy mackerel, wings, bowlies, burgers. The appetizers are just unbelievable. So we're gonna see if the food is good. I'm sure it is though, because it was recommended by Michael T. So how could it not be good? We have been exploring all day long. First we went on a hike, then we had some awesome food. Now we're trespassing at the Hershey Mansion, trying to get some awesome footage for Panic D. You'll see later on. I'm sure I'll use something. We've had a heck of a day.
Pro tip, act like you own the place. That's what we did.
For sure, we acted like we were doing like a professional camera shoot. Nobody even asked us any questions.
Nope.
It was fun. What an amazing day here in Hershey. We got all kinds of adventures to show you. And you know what I want you to do? See, lens cap. I want you
to go out and find your adventure.
Definitely. And subscribe to Mike T Panetta.
Oh, thank you.
Because he's the man. You can subscribe to me too. It's a 2-for-1 special. It's free today. Have a great day, guys. And I will see you soon enough.